I'm Jason.
I'm Todd.
This is our little child, Ziggy. Say hello, Ziggy.
Hi, Ziggy.
And we're the Glamping Guys.
Nowhere best exemplifies the fun, funky, beachy nature of Flagler Beach than the Funky Pelican, which is where we had dinner the last night that we were staying in town. So, let the fun and funkiness begin.
Okay.
Oh, you want to say something?
Yeah, I'm gonna say something. We're sitting here outside and look at this view. We've got the pier right next to us. So this is gonna be a fun dinner. We're looking forward to it.
Drafts that we have, Bud Light, Yingling, Shock Top. We have Stella inside, and we have the Kona Big Wave. Never tried it. I would suggest try it.
Now, I don't do beer. Do you have anything besides beer?
We have our wine is $3 for house.
Okay.
Ready and wine we have.
Okay.
And we also have $4 well drinks.
That was Katie, who gave us literally the best restaurant service that we think we've ever received in our lives. This place was amazing. They had some great appetizer specials and drink specials. But the main event really was this spectacular view of the pier and the beach. A little bit later, we're going to give you a more close-up view as we take a walk onto the pier. What you're looking at is a hearty, resilient structure that suffered lots of damage after Hurricane Matthew in 2016. They had to do tons of repairs after the storm was over, so we were really happy to find out that the pier didn't suffer any significant damage after Hurricane Irma. So, hopefully, this here pier is here to stay. Knock on wood, which, you know, piers are made of. We realize that this structure was built for fishing, but I think its most valuable use is for sunset viewing. When you're on the Atlantic coast of Florida, it's important to get your sun, your colorful clouds, and your reflective ocean all in one vista. Otherwise, the view seems a little bit incomplete. Also, we realize that this video is called A Night on the Town, and all you're seeing so far is daylight shots. Well, that's the great thing about summer in Florida. It's 8 p.m. and the sun's just starting to think about taking its nightly nap. Here we go. Well, that was a beautiful sunset. And here we are, walking back up to the iconic A-frame structure at the entrance to the pier. I think it's time we went exploring. We stumbled onto this charming restaurant with all these amazing murals on the walls. By the way, we promised to buy something next time instead of just staring at your artwork and leaving. Ooh, the Waffle Cone Ice Cream Parlor. This place was really, really cute, and they had some delicious ice cream. Let's go inside.
Betty Poop. Outside, lovely sea. This is a cute little store. Oh, look at all the records.
I know.
I like that start here. That's cute.
I predict this place was opened in the 80s, back when 1950s nostalgia was like at its peak. It's got that vibe to it.
Look at all the flavors.
We've got like $30.
Wow.
I guess ice cream.
I want one of everything. I think I'm gonna do a good old-fashioned 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, extra hot fudge, and whipped cream sundae. And here's your waffle cones.
Oh my god. The Cookie Monster ice cream literally looks like a
Look at that. This is Superman after he ate a lot of ice cream.
He's passed out. He's like,
Yeah, he's like totally passed out. He's like, I'm supposed to like have a very sexy physique, but I just ate all this ice cream and I feel really bloated right now.
just let me lie down. Just leave me alone. Don't
Yes, let me just lie down and stretch for a minute.
Let me know whenever you guys are ready. I just throw it there too. Oh.
Have you decided what you're gonna
I
get?
wanted to get the Gator Tracks.
Look at that.
Look at this Gator Tracks. Vanilla ice cream with baby peanut butter cups and chocolate
Ooh,
syrup.
that sounds wonderful.
Yeah.
It's just like Moose Tracks, we just named it different.
Oh, okay. Do you want to say hi? What's your name, by the way?
Brittany.
Are you the owner?
I'm not the owner,
Oh,
but I've
okay.
worked here for a long time.
Are you the ice cream artist?
The artist? I
Do you-
am an artist, but not for like.
Oh, okay. Do you guys make your ice cream here in house?
We don't make it here. We
Yeah.
make it. It's homemade, but it's only
Oh,
made
okay.
in Florida.
Oh, okay, cool, cool.
Oh, I
Well,
know
we
that.
found you guys on Google, so
Yeah.
we had to come check you
We
out.
have really good stuff.
Cool.
Are you guys from around here?
Orlando. Yeah, we're down at Gamble Rogers.
Oh, nice.
Camping. Glamping.
Leave a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.